Sarah Garland, Fine and Country, Leamington Spa. Today we are in Hatton at 3 Lower Farm, a charming 3-bed barn conversion in an exclusive small development surrounded by countryside. Approximately 2 miles from Warwick Parkway station with only a 1 hour, 12-minute commute to London. 3 miles from Warwick town centre, 6 miles from Leamington Spa and 11 miles from Solihull. Originally farm buildings converted 20 years ago, the property offers a beautiful long sweeping driveway approach. Front and rear gardens with a summer house or home office, 3 double bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and an open plan kitchen living dining with a central feature fireplace. So come with me, let's take a look around the property. Thank you for watching a tour of this charming property. If you would like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.